The CISF has taken over the security of India's parliament, and the security upgrade comes months after the parliament breach that took place. They're now in charge of access and control at parliament. Take a look at the changes.
Men in black slithering down on the top of the building known as the seat of power in the country. This is not a scene out of a movie, but mock drill being conducted by NSG at the Parliament building. However, the CISF has taken over security from Parliament as building security gets an upgrade. Mock drills like these are held every week. NDTV has accessed details of an expert committee report to MHA, which says there are gaps at 8 entry points. Access to the building will be monitored by the CISF. CISF will also scan luggage being brought in. Even shoes will be scanned.
लेकिन मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि CISF एक उपाय है कि हर जगह उसको डाल दिया जाए. मैं समझता हूँ कि CISF जो कि अत्यंत ही संवेदनशील बिल्डिंग्स हैं और संस्थाएं हैं, वहां पे डालना चाहिए.
This security overhaul was ordered shortly after the breach at Parliament, where two individuals entered the building, reached the well of the lower house, and even opened smoke canisters. The intruders had managed to sneak in the smoke canisters in their shoes. While the security upgrade has been implemented, keeping in mind all lessons learned from the breach, NSG is also kept on standby in case of emergencies. Onus of Parliament security does not only lie with security agencies, but members of the House are equally responsible. Many a times complaints have come forward in which members have asked security officials to relax rules, to let their supporters inside the building. And that's the reason why security breaches happen. In New Delhi, this is Neeta Sharma reporting for NDTV.